Hi boys and girls, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you two little toolkits that won't set you back more than 50 bucks total that you must have if you work on a variety of cars, especially Chevys and pretty much anything German. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so first of all, since it is almost October, we do gotta do some Oktoberfest beer before we go into it. Quality beer. It's actually brewed using license of some German beer right here. Oops. Good stuff. Strongly recommended. Alright, so the first part, and you guys seen it in tons of my videos, it's a 100-piece security bit set. It is from Harbor Freight, the item number 68457. This thing is saved my ass so many times, and you guys seen it on E90 videos, on Volkswagen videos, pretty much anything that might require like little specialty torque set. This thing always works out well. It's fairly cheap. I think it's right around 10 bucks, and that's without the coupon. But yeah, you got all types of stuff. So you get regular torques, you get the security torques, you get regular hex, you get security hex, you get this little bastards over here, triple squares, or whatever. Is it triple square? I don't even know. Whatever this thing is. I think it's similar to a triple square. Then you get your regular Phillips, all types and kinds, and then you get your extensions, you get adapters, so you can use them on impact gun. I haven't really broken any of them, which I can't tell you for the performance tools that I've done before. So yeah, that's gonna be the first one. And the second one, again, you've seen me use it in many videos. This one is a little bit more heavy duty. So this is actually craftsman. Let me see, part number 34845. It's a standard and metric set. I actually got this one a while ago. As you can see, this is still US made Ratchet. But this thing will get you out of pinch like no other, so you get this awesome Phillips ones. So I actually use them to get the brake discs off. Sometimes with an impact hammer, sometimes with just a wrench. So sometimes I'll just throw it on an impact gun and impact it out. Same thing with the standards. And you can see by the use, Phillips is a lot more used than abused. And then of course you got your torques. As you can see, I use mostly big ones. You can tell by the lack of coating on them. Those are usually used to get like seat belts off and things like that. So specifically like on Chevys do like to use it. And of course you get your little adapters. Then from BMWs you have your E torques over here. So you get pretty much E torques from the 10 to 16. Actually not 10, sorry, from 6 to 16, the little guys over here. And then you have your standard hex, then you have your metric hex, then you have your metric torques, and then you get those guys over here. I actually never use those, but here it's like some weirdly shaped torques that's for a quarter drive. So they're standard, but have yet to use them. Like from all those, it seems like the only one that's been used and abused is this little 4mm guy over here. So this is pretty awesome set. Again, you see it on lots of my videos, and I use it all the time. And a few people emailed me and asked like, "Hey, what's the part numbers?" So here's the part numbers. And since somebody commented on the last one that my beer's getting warm, I definitely gotta make sure that I drink some beer. Cheers to you guys. Ooh, this is some good beer. Alright, my friends, if you guys enjoyed this video, whoa, Only had one sip of beer and it's already... No, I'm just kidding. If you guys enjoyed my video, please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet. Hit thumbs up if you like my channel or videos. Thumbs down if you hate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Take care, have a good day.